You took a screenshot of someone else's and put your name on it.
It didn't work on you. I know it didn't work on you, but it worked on like some other people, right? So we've been doing that, and yeah, that's how we do. So what you gonna do?
I just want to know why you're doing it.
You can't do shit though, right? You can just talk on the phone. Fuck you.
Well, you can't do shit either. You're in a fucking bullshit computer. No one uses this.
I can do shit if I want, but I ain't doing that.
Oh, you can do shit if you want. You can just type in Syskey and put in a password like 1, 2, 3 or something.
Screw the computer. You dumb fucking midget. Fucking asshole.
You're a scammer. I think that's worse.
You dumb fuck, got no job. Got no fucking...
You have no job. You're a scamming side
I got
job.
a job. Scam, it's a job, bro. It's a job. I earn thousands of dollars in a day. Fuck you. How much do you earn?
Are you done?
Fuck you. If you call in support, this is Roger. Can I help you?
Oh, hey, Roger. I got this message on my computer that says I have to call the toll-free number because my internet security was breached or something.
Can I know what exactly the issue is? Like, the security has been breached?
Oh, that's what the pop-up message says, and it's like I can't click on anything, but I can like minimize it and stuff.
Alright, can I know like what you were doing on the computer when you got that?
Yeah, I was going to youtube.com and it came up.
Okay. Seems like your default security has detected some malicious things on the computer, I guess, and that's what the security alert is you're getting on the computer. Is that a security alert or what is that?
Yeah, it says warning. Your Windows has been blocked due to suspicious activity. Please call support now.
Call support now. And you have the Microsoft number in there?
Yeah, that's the one I just called.
Okay, yeah, this is Windows Help and Support, Microsoft. Now let me tell you one thing, sir. That you're using Windows computer, you have a default security running on the computer. So every single time your default security detects anything wrong on the computer, like virus, malicious codes, any vulnerable intrusions on the computer, that is the time you get the alert. And I assume that's what you're getting on the computer, but I'm not sure what exactly the problem is. So what I'll need to do is I'll need you to check your computer error reports. Once you checked it, maybe we'll get to know what exactly the problem is. Okay?
All right.
All right. Can you check your computer Windows error reports?
I don't know how to do that.
You know how to check it? Do you know the command for error reporting?
No, I don't.
All right, let me do one thing. Let me connect you to the server, and let me do that work for you.
Oh, okay.
Please look on the computer on the left-hand side bottom corner. You can see the Windows button, right?
Yeah,
Microsoft
I see that.
button, Windows on the left side. Right, you can hold down that Windows button and then press letter R at the same time.
Okay.
Windows and R at the same time. So you'll get a little box popping up in the bottom, right?
Yes, I see that.
Okay. So on the box, you need to type there. Is it empty or you have something in there?
Yeah, it's empty. Okay.
You got the / in?
Yeah, I got that.
Alright. Can you tell me what have you typed in there so far?
Yeah, I got the iExplorer space www.fastsupport.com/
Alright, and then type there 717 608. Yeah, 717 608 and then 928.
Okay.
Alright? And after that you can click OK.
Alright.
And when you click OK, you'll be able to see your Go to Assist opener.
Yep.
Alright, and what else do you see there?
I clicked on run. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Right down at the bottom, you can see run, save, or cancel.
Okay, now
Click
it's
run.
installing and connecting.
Okay. You'll get an option for yes or no for Windows. For Windows, making program changes. Click yes. Now you're getting an option for approval session. Click yes.
Okay.
Okay. So you are successfully, I guess, connected. Yeah, it's connected now. And I'm sure you can see my cursor on the screen. Okay, so this is the thing that you're getting, right?
Yes.
Windows warning. Warning, Windows has been blocked due to suspicious activity. Okay. Suspicious activity. Alright, you gotta be on the line for a moment. Alright, I'll check this with a network security expert. Alright, because it seems like the issue is on the network because it says security breach, right?
Oh, okay.
So which I assume it is your network security breach. So please be on the line for a moment. I'll check them. I'll check out with them once, and I'll get back to you in like 2 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Be on the line. All right. Thank you for staying on hold. So you're still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Hello. Can I know how old the computer is?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a moment. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Can you leave your mouse? Like I cannot see your cursor. Okay. All right. I gotta check the error reports. All right. First, and then we'll get to know what exactly the problem is.
Okay.
I'm sure you can see that on the screen right now.
Yeah, I see that.
All right. Can I know when was the last time you had this computer tuned up or optimized? Like computer cleaned up or hardware changes or something like that. When was the last time you had this computer serviced?
Never.
Never?
Yeah. I never did that.
Okay, because it seems like your computer has a lot of events generated on the computer. You can see these warnings, errors, warnings. Do you know what all these are?
No.
So these are all your computer error reports. Any time your default security or your Windows detects anything wrong on the computer, all right?
Okay.
All these warnings, errors, they get generated on the computer.
So is there like a normal amount?
Come again?
Is there like a normal amount of errors that can be allowed?
I wouldn't say it's normal because you can see the total number of events says 118, right? And then it has all sort of critical errors and warnings, which is generated very recently. You can see 7/7/2017, 9/13/10 p.m., which is today.
Oh, okay.
Goes back. So, like, what are the stuff that you do on the computer, sir?
I pretty much just use this to go on YouTube and pretty much it.
So, like, I feel like the computer, you don't use this computer. You just use this, like, just for basic stuff, right?
Yeah.
So, do you know you have all these problems running on a computer?
What was the question?
Do you have any idea how you get all these problems on the computer? Because
Uh,
the computer look new, it's like a new computer. The Windows, it's optimizing properly, and it's working better. But like there are viruses running on it. There are like suspicious activities. There are like files. There could be malicious codes or malicious softwares or anything running on the computer, right? I don't see that, but these errors that you have on the computer indicates that there are like malicious things running on the computer. So I'm just asking, like what are the stuff that you do on this computer, and do you have any idea how you're getting this problems on the computer, getting all this virus?
um, I don't know how I'm getting all those problems.
All right. Can I know who else uses this computer beside you?
Um, just me. Occasionally, some guests use it.
Okay. So it seems like there are a lot of malicious things on the computer running, because this alert did it indicates that your default security has detected some some activities, some wrong activities on the computer. All right, which is vulnerable for your computer. All right, it could be for your information as well, because you could be doing banking, shopping, or other financial activities on the computer, right? Do you?
Um, no, not on this one.
Not on this one. Okay. Because this computer already has some viruses running on it. So what I'll do is I'll just run a quick scan. All right. Maybe once we scan the computer, we'll get to exactly the problems. So let me run a command. Okay. I would like you to keep your eye on the screen. All right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the scan started. It'll take like maybe 2 minutes or less than that to check out the problems. So once the window detect anything wrong on the computer, we'll get to know what the problem is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right, sir. The scan has been finished, and something just came up on the bottom. It says, you can see security walls breached, Trojan horse virus 2120,
Oh, okay.
which I believe it has been detected on the computer.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, sir, this issues is on your network security, all right? Because your security walls means your network access protection agent, which is the built-in security of Microsoft, but that protects your computer network. And on this network, you're using, how many devices do you have all in total? Do you have
Maybe
tablets, laptops, and a lot? You're like
maybe 4
Apple's.
computers,
Come again?
4 devices.
You have 4 different devices connected to this network.
I think so.
Yeah, why I'm asking you is, sir, because this problem is not only on this computer. I assume it's on all of your computers that you have connected on this network. Because of your network security breached, the viruses are getting transferred to your computers. Now the viruses are coming from different computer network sources to your computer. All right, since the security walls is breached, there is no um, access protection agent, no network security access protection agent that blocks the viruses, and intrusions from entering into your system. So if you have 4 devices, I'm sure the same problem could be in all of your devices running, sir.
Oh, okay.
So you got to do one thing. You got to be on the line for a moment. What I'll do is, I'll talk to my network security expert regarding this, security breach issue. All right. I'll ask them what has to be done here, what it exactly and how the problem has occurred, whatever solution, whatever suggestion they gave me. I'll tell you right away once I get that. All right. So you got
Okay.
to be on the line for 2 more minutes, sir, and I'll be right back with you in like 2 minutes. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. All right. Thank you for staying on hold, sir. You still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Can you leave your can you move your mouse on your screen?
Yeah, I can.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Because I cannot see your screen right now.
Oh.
Okay. All right.
Oh, yeah.
All
You
right.
can
Leave
see
your
it.
mouse. Leave your mouse.
All right.
Okay. Sir, let me tell you that this computer for your rebuild of security walls, you need an computer network encryption, and I'm sure you might have heard of VPN client before, not VPN but VPN client.
Yeah, I've heard of a VPN. Yes.
All right, VPN client. VPN means virtual private network. Everyone knows it, right? But VPN client is a different thing.
Okay. That's the
All right, it is
software, right?
it's not basically a software.
Yeah,
It
client
is your
software.
network in right. It is your network encryptor. All right, that would get your encryption back on the computer. So once your network is encrypted, all right, your security walls that is not running on the computer that has been breached, that will be reactivated on the computer network, and then you're safe to do anything on the computer after that. All right, sir. So if you talk about VPN, basically it is a license. All right, it is not a physical program. All right, it is a license
So it's a
that needs
service.
to be. Come again?
Is it a service that I can like
It is not a.
purchase?
Yeah, you have to do one thing, sir. You have to purchase the license. All right. If you talk about VPN, VPN is an encryption. All right, encryptor that would get your network encrypted on the computer network that you're using right now. So once your network is encrypted, right, once it'll be configured, once it'll be encrypted, then your security walls will be reactivated. So if you talk about security walls reactivation, since you're using Windows, that is going to be a part of your services, which we'll be doing that for free. All right. But if you talk about VPN client, VPN is a license which you need to purchase.
Oh, so
All right.
license.
So
What does that mean?
right. So VPN license would cost you sir 199.99. All right, and it's just gonna be a lifetime license. It's not gonna expire, or it's gonna be for all of your computers or devices that you connect on this computer network.
Okay.
All right. So this VPN would get your network encrypted. After the encryption, your security walls will be rebuilt. All right, that for the rebuild it'll be no cost. All right, like I told you, since you're using Windows, it'll be a part of the service.
Okay.
But you need to take care of the license, VPN, all right, virtual private network license. That will come for 199.99, and it's not like a year, 2 year, 3 years. All right, it's gonna be forever. And this is gonna be on your network. All right, and with the help of this computer, we'll be getting your network encrypted too.
Okay, so when you say encrypted, what does that exactly mean?
So encryption means getting your public network converted to private.
Oh, okay.
For example, right now you have encryption. When you're typing anything on the computer, when you don't have encryption on the computer. So since it's an open network, anybody can access into your network.
Oh, okay.
So your network doesn't have a security walls on it. So that means the viruses can get transferred.
So what is security
Any
walls?
kind of
Is that different?
security walls is a part of your computer Windows, sir.
Like the notepad window is a security wall? Like this blue
Network
border?
access protection agent, sir. It's a security.
Oh. Some security software, okay.
It's a software, but it's a default software, not something like that you put in the computer, like a third-party program or something. It's not like that. But yeah, if you have Comodo on the computer, but it's a third party.
Yeah, but I trust it.
You trust it, okay? But you still have viruses on the computer.
I don't see the viruses. Like, I don't see like a thing popping up saying, hey, I stole all your data, pay me $1 million to get it back. I don't see stuff like that on my computer. Where are the viruses?
Sir, even I don't see viruses on the computer, but as per the diagnostic, you have viruses running on the computer.
Oh, so what diagnostic said I had viruses? I'm confused. Like I want to know what I'm paying for.
Sir, if you check your computer reports here on the computer, error reports,
Okay, so
you'll see
I can
all kind
click
of
on stuff and like see it.
right, right. You can see error warnings. Do you see what these error warnings are?
Yeah, Windows Defender failed to start because of Komodo. That makes sense to me.
Hmm?
This computer is not part of a business, so that doesn't apply to me. None of these all say the same thing, by the way. None of these say like virus.
So these are your computer, your regular reports.
So there's a special report somewhere. I'm
Come
trying
again?
to understand. So you're saying this is another special report somewhere?
Sir, this reports is something your computer, periodically generate when anything goes wrong on the computer.
Well, okay. So if I unplug my mouse or something, it's going to show up there.
How is that possible? Like mouse? It's not related to mouse or your computer keyboard. It's just related with the Windows program.
So if I uninstall something, it's going to show up there too?
No, I won't.
Okay. Well, I do want like the virtual private network, but it
Come again?
says I would get the virtual private network, but just says something about viruses, and I don't want to pay for something I don't need. You know what I'm like getting at?
Sir, it's up to you. You called me, right?
Well, yeah. I'm trying to
called
pay
us.
for something that might help me, but
So-
you're trying to give me something I might not need. I feel like.
Sir, all right. So you're telling me that I don't like. I'm giving you wrong suggestion.
No, I'm saying you're like might be upselling me, giving me more than what I need.
No, sir. This is not a sales company. If you don't get it, that's your wish, right? That's your, totally depending upon how you would like to get, your computer protected. But, as for what the problem is, I'm just suggesting you that you would need a private network on the computer.
Yeah, I'll get
Because
that.
your computer network security walls has been breached right now. The security walls is not running, sir. Because you have seen that on the scan as well. The security walls is breached, and that is the reason why you were getting this notification, your security alert on the computer.
Okay.
So now, you can tell me what you would like to do, because like if you're just hanging around here, like you're just wasting my time.
Well, I don't appreciate you saying like I'm a waste of time, but I am trying
Right,
to
sir. You're wasting
fix my
time, sir.
computer.
Obviously, because I've been here, like trying to tell you something, trying to suggest you something, but you're disclaiming that and you're trying to do something else, right?
Well, I'm not trying to do something else. I'm trying to like get. Yeah, I'm trying to get the most value. Like I don't want to get a bunch of extras.
Oh, sure. Oh, okay. So you can decide what you want to do for the computer, all right? And I'm sure, like
So is
you'll
the
know what
virtual private network all I need?
Yeah, this is something you would need on the computers.
Okay, I'll buy that.
Come again, sir.
I'll buy that.
Okay. And this is gonna be like for all of the computers. So I would like to know if all of your other 4 computers, I mean your remaining computers, are also connected to the network or not.
Yeah. Like how else would they be connected?
They need to be online on this network. So you can type your name, your email, your phone, and address, so we can send you everything in writing.
Okay.
All the information. So let me just request a code to the verification officer. You gotta wait for a moment.
All right.
Let me transfer this information. All right, and after the work is done for this license, VPN, which card you'll be using, sir?
Well, can I see like a website or something? Like it seems
You'll be
pretty
getting
soon.
everything. You'll be getting everything on your email, sir. It will be done after the work is done. The payment will be done after the work is done.
That sounds suspicious.
Come again? So the payment will be done after the work is done. All right. So we will need to encrypt your network first before you do anything on the computer, right? Payment will be done on your computer itself. You'll be getting a link for that
In my email?
on your computer. Yes. You'll be getting an receipt, everything on your email.
Okay, so like what company is the VPN coming from? Like what company
Sir,
is this?
VPN is something Microsoft will not directly provide you, right? So
I
this
understand.
will be right. You'll be getting this from. We will be redirecting you from a company. It's gonna be from either Firewall Store, all right, either from Best Buy, Firewall Store, or you'll be getting this from
Firewall store?
VPN Solution, right? Firewall Store, VPN Solution. Right, these are stores where some few list of stores where you can get the VPN, right? So you are just
so
getting
it's a
redirected
box? I
from
have
us.
to buy a box?
No, you don't have to buy no box, sir. This is just a virtual program. It's a license. You just need to follow me what I'm doing. I'll be telling you what you need to do here, right? So you just need to
Okay.
tell me here. I'll be requesting a code right now to the verification officer. All right, I've just forwarded your information to them. All right, and they'll be ordering this stuff for you. You just need to take care of what the amount is. All right, the rest of the thing will be taken care.
Right.
And from where you're getting, from which server you're getting, from which store you're getting, you'll be getting that information on your email, sir. You'll be getting the complete receipt on your email. If you talk about payment process, it'll be done after the work is done.
Okay, so could I answer that like later?
Come again?
Can I answer like what card I'm using later? It just
No, you have to
doesn't feel
answer the
safe.
card. You have to confirm the card, which card you don't need your information, but we need to make sure that you're paying for it, right?
Okay, so why don't you make me pay for it first before you install it?
All right, you want to do the payment first?
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right, can you help me with the card then?
Okay, it's a Visa.
Okay. Go ahead. Starting with the 4.
Yeah, it's 45569. 892858000128.
All right, and what is the expiration?
6/22.
All right, and the CVV on the back.
So you're gonna process my card without showing me website or something?
Come again. So you'll be getting a receipt on your computer.
So just a receipt, not a payment page where I can... Okay. So yeah, CVV is 369.
Sir, like I don't follow you. Like, why are you do you have some problem? Like, what is the problem? Like,
Well, my problem is I want to know like what I'm doing with my money. That's a lot. That's $200. That's a lot of money to be throwing
all right,
away.
let me tell you. First of all, all right.
Whoa, okay.
First of all, you're not getting charged for the services. All right. The services, tune-up and optimization, everything that we are doing on the computer is for free. All right. Now,
So
the
it's
only thing
free?
you're paying right now
So
is for license. The services, all right. If you talk about your computer, your viruses, you need a virus removal on the computer. Security is breached. So what does the security breach means? Do you know what security breach means?
Oh yeah, I understand. Basic language.
So a virus has been breached. Yeah, a virus has breached the computer. So that means there could be intruder on the computer. All right, a virus on the computer.
Well, I
Right.
haven't seen any signs of that. Like I haven't had my credit card stolen ever before.
No, sir. All right, please. Now this is you're talking to Windows help and support. All right, so this is legitimate. You don't have to worry about your information.
Well,
We'll
I
be
don't
taking
understand.
responsible
We're
of that.
saying stuff like it's free, but you're still charging me. And then like you said, you already did it, but then you said you have to do it, or you haven't did it yet. Like,
Sure, sir. Sir, you're just getting confused. All right. First of all, the thing that I told you, free, means the services are free. So the thing you are paying is for the license. We need to buy a license from a third party, from
okay,
a company who can provide you the VPN. So we don't provide you VPN directly, right? If VPN would have, generated from our company, we would have give you it for free. But it is from a third party. We are redirecting you third party for the license. Now,
right.
if you
So
don't want to do that,
I
that's your
tried
wish.
asking
All right?
you
You
what the
wanna,
third party was, and you wouldn't tell me.
Sure, that's what I'm saying. They are like list of third party. Once we get the right VPN for you, we'll let you know from which company we are getting it, and from where we are getting it, we'll be sending you everything in email. Why you are getting worried about it? I don't get it. And
It's
told you the free.
$200. That's why I'm worried about it.
Okay, sir. Let me tell you one thing, sir. All right, you don't have to worry about it. And I'm telling you, $199.99. That is the exact amount. All right, that is the exact charge for the VPN. All right, you wouldn't be charged even a single penny extra than $199. All right, you wouldn't be charged for any taxes, no services charge, nothing. So your services, rebuild of security walls, it is a part of your computer service, Windows service. So which you'll be getting for free. Now that is free. All right.
Okay, so
The thing that you're paying right now is the license
All
for
right.
your virtual private network client.
okay.
Now that is the paid version, so that's the reason you are paying $199.
Is there like trial version? That's like cheaper.
There's no trial version. Sir, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Okay.
It's one time in a lifetime. You don't have to pay that like again and again. All right.
So
It's
could
not
I
the
still
security
see
that-
some verification, like if it's legitimate or something?
All right. Give me a moment. For example, let me show you some list of. All right. Be on the line for a moment. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for staying on hold. Sir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah, sir, I just requested code to the verification officer for the license, all right? And the payment will be charged on your screen itself, all right? It will not be charged right now, as I told you. It will be charged after the work is done, all right? So all
So
you
we
need to do
can't-
right now is
okay.
just wait for my call, all right? And leave the computer as it is.
How long is this gonna take?
It's going to take at least half an hour, sir.
Well, I have to go somewhere in half an hour, so that's why I want to pay before the service.
You want to pay before the services, sir? I don't think that's possible.
Why not? You said I could, like a minute ago.
Sir, that's not possible. No, that's a company policy. I cannot, violate the rules.
So
Because the license
it sounds
will
like
not
you're
be
making
right
it
now.
easy for
We'll be
people
doing
to
half
steal
an
the
hour.
service.
First thing will be, come again.
It's like you're making it easy for people to steal the service when they're like not trying to. It's like you want them to pay
Steal the
after
service.
they fix it. But if they don't pay,
Sir, what's
they
the
pretty much have their fixed computer.
Sure. I don't see any problem in that, right? I see a lot, instead of problem, I see benefit. All right. So if your computer is not fixed right now, there are viruses on the computer. All right. If you just go ahead and put information, credit card. I'm not asking you. I didn't tell you to type the credit card information on the computer either. Why didn't
Yeah,
I do
but you
that?
told me to do it over the phone, which is
Right.
not safe.
I told you to do that over the phone, not on the computer.
Well,
Right.
it's both
because
like
your
not
computer
safe.
is not safe. Come again?
The phone's not safe either.
Sure, it's safe. It's safe on the phone.
Okay, well that's not what the bank says.
Like why? I
But
don't know
alright.
why are you being so leery about all this stuff? I don't get it. What is the problem, sir? Can you just explain me first?
I just want some
and you tell
verification,
me-
to make sure you're not like trying to pull a fast one on me.
Sure. Why would you think that? Like what would
Like
But
if
you
you
say
could
that
send
I
me an
am trying
email
to-
on the company email, like maybe that would put me at ease. To show
I
that
can
you're
send
actually
what I
from a company and not from your house or something.
All right, I can do that, sir, please.
I mean, you don't have to send me an email. You could just show the website or something.
All right. So what do I need to send you? I told you that the payment will be done after the work, and you'll be getting a receipt from the company where it is being charged, right? So even after I'm telling you that, like, I don't think you're agreeing with me, right?
What was that?
I said you'll be getting a receipt on the computer,
Okay.
but you still don't you don't accept it, right? So I don't get it. What do you want here exactly? I'm not completely understanding what you're saying.
Like, I just want to know like what company you're from. Like, Microsoft doesn't provide support.
Sir, we don't. All right, let me tell you. This is Windows Open Support. All right.
So it's like a third
Now,
party with the name on it.
sir, it's not a third. It's not a third party, sir. Windows Open Support. It is, related to Microsoft.
Right.
Microsoft. So we are Microsoft. All right, but we work for softwares, not on hardwares. So you can, if you want to talk to someone else, you can do that. I can, transfer the line and you can speak to them.
Okay.
What do you want to do? Like, I don't get it. If you're not satisfied with me, or what is the problem? I don't understand.
Well, I just don't understand. Like, you said I had viruses when I don't see them.
Sure.
And, like,
I checked the computer, right? I ran the scan on the computer.
So you're trying to tell me that scan where you type in tree and type in at the bottom, say, oh, you have a virus. That's a legit scam or scan. So you're trying to tell me the event viewer errors are like not normal when every computer on a planet has them? So you're telling me this pop-up is like real? This pop-up that it says, oh, you're fucked, pretty much. Yes, this Windows error bullshit. It doesn't even work correctly. Did you notice that? Like, what is this? Network security alert.live?
This is an alert, right?
Like, this shit's not even like scaled properly. It doesn't even work. Oh, Windows error. Warning. Bullshit. Oh, your security is breached. Like, you're a scam. Like, why do you feel like you have to scam? Like, why can't you just get a real job or something? Like, why do you feel good scamming people and providing fake support? You don't have to close this. It doesn't have anything on it.
Fuck off, dumb fuck.
You're stupid as fuck. You sound stupid.
You're stupid, dumb fuck.
Okay. You're stupid for like scamming people and thinking that you're actually helping them. Like a little cunt.
Sure. Wait, like...
Did you make this? It doesn't work. You took a screenshot of someone else's and put your name on it.
It didn't work on you. I know it didn't work on you, but it worked on, like some other people, right? So we've been doing that, and yeah, that's how we do. So what you gonna do?
I just want to know why you're doing it.
You can't do shit though, right? You can just talk on the phone. Fuck you.
Well, you can't do shit either. You're in a fucking bullshit computer. No one uses this.
I can do shit if I want, but I ain't doing that.
Oh, you can do shit if you want. You can just type in Syskey and put in a password like 123 or something.
Screw the computer. You dumb fucking.
I'll piss in your mouth.
Fucking asshole.
You're a scammer. I think that's worse.
You dumb fuck. Got no job. Got no. Fucking.
You have no job. You're a scamming. Scamming's not a job.
I got a job. Scam. It's a job, bro. It's a job. I earn thousands of dollars in a day. Fuck you. How much do you earn?
Are you done?
Fuck you.
Scammer. Benchode.
I'm done, right? I'm done. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Benchode.
What you gonna do? Do it. I ain't doing shit to your computer. Alright?
You're still connected, just sitting there. Just waiting for me to walk away so you can Syskey it.
I ain't doing shit. I ain't doing shit to your computer. I ain't doing shit to your computer. I knew that already. That you were trying to play around. So I didn't do it.
How the fuck am I playing around? You're scamming people. That's still worse.
How is it worse? How is it worse?
You're just sitting there, just waiting for your fucking phone to ring, being like,
"How is it
hey,
worse?
I'm Microsoft. I'm not really Microsoft, but I'm gonna pay."
Every company, in it's the 21st century, right? Every company, every people, everyone scam.
No,
Even you're a scammer in some way, right? We just lie, we're lying, and like we're just telling them, but we're not completely scamming them at all, but we're providing them services at all.
Well, I'm not
So we don't
lying when I
hold
say
it
you're a
completely.
scammer.
Come again?
I'm not lying when I say you're a scammer.
I don't care, like scammer. We provide them services. We have
Fake ass
5 years.
services.
Yes, the services are worth.
They're fake. They're not even. It's basic shit. You
It's
just
not-
open like
not-
clean.
It's not fake.
Just clean up.
It's not fake. Dumb fuck. It's not fake. We have thousands of customers
You just.
in
You,
United States. We have thousands of customers that
that's
that are
not customers.
satisfied
That's
with our
called
services.
victims. You dumbass.
There are
Read the
services. We
dictionary.
provide them services. There are customers that love our job. What you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
What
You're
you
still
gonna
connected,
do?
like,
You're
do
gonna
something.
you're just talking shit. I ain't doing shit to your computer. You're talking shit on the phone. What you gonna do? You gonna put the cops on me?
No.
Fuck you, bitch.
You're a bitch.
You can't do shit.
I'm
You
not
can just
doing
talk on the
anything.
phone.
You're not doing
Fuck
anything. You're the
you.
biggest bitch over here.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Punk
Get
ass
the
bitch.
hell out of the line, damn fuck. You wanna put this shit on YouTube? Go ahead. Put it on YouTube.
I don't
What you
even
gonna
do
do?
YouTube. What are you talking about?
You're recording shit, then you're gonna put this on YouTube.
What am I
You're gonna
recording?
make us famous. Fuck you, damn fuck.
And say your name.
Get a life.
I'm living. You get a
Get
real
a
job.
life. Damn fuck.
Scammer. Punk ass
Sure,
bitch.
it's a real job. I
And
earn
showed.
thousands of dollars in a day.
Macho.
Right? At the end of the day, I get laid with girls. I walk around. I drive around cars, Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferrari, and shit. What
You
you
drive
doing to your
shit?
shit, bro?
That's
What you
not
doing
healthy.
to
You
your
can't
shit,
drive
bro?
shit like that.
You're talking shit on phone. What you doing? You
Bitch,
you
I'm
don't
not
earn a
talking-
penny in shit. You're fucking poor.
You told me to fuck off.
You don't earn shit.
You're not earning shit right now. You're not even doing your job.
$50 a month, Birdie. You're like, what is it? You're a fucking beggar, homeless. Dumb fuck.
No, you're homeless. That's probably why
You
you're
want the
scamming.
money?
Your ass is
Give
homeless.
me your account. Give me your account. I'll send you some $1,000.
All right.
Dumb fuck. Fucking beggar. Fucking
Punk
trying
ass.
to take a piece on us. Dumb fuck. Get a life. Fuck you. Bye bye.